We have a lot of exhibitors on board. Right now, over 100 exhibitors are already on the ground from various sectors, that's research, financial, insurance, agriculture, education, health. We have all those kind of farmers. Our this year theme, it's a promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiative for sustainable economic growth.
And today we are here at the Embu showgrounds. We have come to showcase our products as new KPCU. And the mandates we have been given by the government is to mill, to market, and to warehouse farmers' coffee, and also to administer and disburse the coffee cherry advance revolving fund to the farmers. So what we are doing is we are being transparent, we are being accountable, and we are being farmer-centric with our farmers, and we are developing a personal relationship with them, and we want to establish direct contacts between them and the global customers for their coffee, so that we are able to give value to their coffee.
Fanya kazi closely na wakulima kuwasaidia waste management na pia kuwasaidia kuproduce clean green energy. That's our main focus tukifanya kazi na wakulima. Tunafanya kazi na wakulima ambao wanafuga ng'ombe, kuku, nguruwe, any waste yenye unaweza pata kutoka kwa shamba, it can be transformed into clean green energy.
Tumeona hali ya juu ya matayarisho ya products ya agriculture kutoka kwa vifaa vya mboga, mahindi, hata zingine value addition tumeona.
Haya, mwiroreri wa Muthingi TV, riboti yo kuma kuria kaunti-ini ya Embu, riboti thika Linturi yambete tware kahinda gaito kambere ga gwikiria ndugetikire guthiura mitambo tugicokereria turahunduka na riboti makiria.